Mastering the past. Simple tense for rideshare drivers. The past simple tense is one of the most essential grammar concepts for rideshare drivers to learn and understand. By mastering this tense, drivers can accurately describe past events and experiences to their passengers. In this essay, we will explore the rules of the past simple tense and provide numerous examples to help beginner ESL students improve their grasp of this important concept. The past simple tense is used to talk about actions that happened at a specific point in the past. It is formed by adding ed to regular verbs or changing the verb form in irregular verbs. For example, regular verb, I picked up the passenger at 10 a.m. Irregular verb, I drove to the airport yesterday. Here are some more examples of the past simple tense in action for rideshare drivers. I dropped off a passenger downtown last night. She requested a ride to the train station this morning. We waited for a passenger at the corner for 15 minutes. He received a 5-star rating from a passenger yesterday. It is important to note that there are also irregular verbs in English that do not follow the ed rule for forming the past simple tense. Some common irregular verbs used by rideshare drivers include drive, drove, take, took, go, went, get, got. Here are some examples of irregular verbs in the past simple tense. I went to pick up a passenger at the hotel. She took a ride to the mall yesterday. We got stuck in traffic on the way to the concert. He drove the passenger to the restaurant in record time. In conclusion, mastering the past simple tense is crucial for rideshare drivers to effectively communicate with their passengers. By understanding the rules of the past simple tense and practicing with numerous examples, beginner ESL students can improve their language skills and provide a better experience for their passengers. Keep practicing and incorporating the past simple tense into your everyday conversations to become more proficient in English.